What is Gucci, my friends? This is NFT Takeover. You know, I'm Elio bringing you the alpha. Today I have a long video, so bear with me. Remember to like and subscribe if you like the alpha that we're bringing to you guys. First off, we talked about stepping last video. Right now, the floor already going to 14 Solana. If you see the activity for the last 30 days, it's trending up. And we see that the sales are going crazy 4 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago. So make sure you don't miss stepping. Remember, this is a move to earn NFT. Basically, you buy the NFT, you download the app, you go into run, you exercise. The more you run, the more you earn. And remember that you can swap these tokens that you earn for USDC. So immediately, you can just be swapping the passive income you're making into digital dollars. Let's get into the second project. So the stoned frogs, we call the stone frogs on the Gorilla alpha chat. A lot of people minted, you know, they went all the way up to 7 with the pump, and right now they're at the dip 4.7 Solana. This for me is a good opportunity, as we saw the initial pump, then it came down to 3 Solana. Good, that was the very bottom. Right now, it's already coming back up to 4.7 Solana floor. I think this one's going to go double digits very soon. Make sure you do your own research, but these ones, they give you passive income in the form of their token Cets. They have a very strong community, and check them out. Now, next project, Dead Rejects. I have called them out on my Twitter. Also, I shared them on the Discord. Dead Rejects right now sitting at 6.77 Solana. You know the average price for the last 24 hours is 5.91. So we know they're pumping. Same thing with the Stone Frogs. They pumped, they dipped, they went all the way down to like 650, dipped again to 4 Solana, and now they're already up again. I'm predicting this one to go to double digits in the very near future again. Now, Blocksmith Labs. This is a true blue chip in the making. Now, you know that the founder of this project is actually the lead developer for DGods. So watch out for this project. I predict it's going to hit 50 Solana. So what do? Blocksmith Labs is a team of experienced engineers aiming to solve real problems on the Solana blockchain. They're providing utility for their holders, and they're building a community of builders. So this is the type of project that you need to get into if you have 35 Solana liquid, because this is like, again, blue chip in the making. We see that all-time high was like 33, it dipped, and right now it's pumping. As you will see, you see a pattern already. All the projects I'm giving you, like they had a huge pump, then they dipped, opportunity, and right now they're recovering. So make sure you get in before they like moon. Next one. We have Oneida. Oneida, last time I put it on my watch list, it was around 7 Solana. So it's still sitting at that. But if you see the average price for the last 24 hours, it's only 5 Solana. That meaning that it's already pumping. You see, this one, it just released around 4 days ago. It pumped, it dipped. Right now it's pumping again. Same with all the other ones I'm giving you. I predict 10 Solana floor for an era, and more specifically on this one, because if you look at the supply, it's only 1,500 total units. And in the activity, 12 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, sales have been consistent. Next up, we got the decirculated Scullies. Now, this one I'm very bullish on. As you see, they already made over 40,000 Solana volume. That's over $400,000. The floor right now, it's 3.89, but same as the other ones. Look at the chart. It pumped, dipped, and now it's going, breaking all-time highs. I predict this one to be around 5 or 6 Solana, so you can do a quick 2x on your money. See, this art is crazy, man. Actually, like this one, besides the utility and the community, the art is like dope. I just fuck with it, you know? Like, I believe that this type of art, similar to the fracture, which I also talked about before, is gonna be the next meta. Kind of like abstract, like oil. See this thing. This looks like real art. You see, a person who purchased at 2.9 and they sold it at 3.5. So already made a profit, and they bought it on April 29th and May 3rd. So 4 days later, they made one Solana. So over $90 in 4 days for one of these. So if even you buy multiple, you can see how you can make thousands of dollars in a very quick, short time. Next project I have is the Lavish Lions. This one they just released recently as well. You see, they released on April 27th, so about a week ago. Then they dumped, and I believe that these ones are building up. Volume looks good, 24,000 Solana volume, so around $250,000, and that the listing is just keeps going down. It's a total of 3,333, but there's only 600 listed up for sale. Now, if you look at the activity, same as the other ones, goes all the way up, dips, then it's pumping, and that's why all my picks look this way. If you see the projects that I like when there's hype on it, they go up, then people sell off, they start like selling half of their bags, and this is a new opportunity for people like us to come in and then ride the second wave. Not the initial one, but the second wave. If you look at the activity, very important in every project you get into, look at the activity. Look at this project is moving. Is people even buying this? So 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, people are buying these constantly. And you look at the art, very similar to that one I just showed you with the scullies. It looks abstract, kind of like painting oil. So I believe this kind of art is gonna take over Solana little by little, and a lot of the new collections doing like this pattern are gonna do good. So one more collection. This is a little bit more expensive, but this is actually another blue chip in the making. They've been around for months, building nonstop, and now the floor went all the way up to 15. Let's look at the activity. So last 90 days, they dropped around Halloween, yeah, September, October, and then you see they were building. The floor was very consistent at 2, 3 Solana, 1, and then now these years started in April. We see all these communities just like take off and do like an 8x in the matter of 1 month. So like for months, look at this, man. They were just sitting at 1 Solana, 2 Solana, 2 Solana, just people like sleeping on it for months. And then once people catch up on it, the beginning of April, you can see in the chart 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and now 15 Solana floor. Congratulations to the Grim Syndicate. I love what they're doing, and for me, it's an example of what projects can achieve if they just keep on building during time and not give up. So I have DeFi Hood DAO. It's a good example. I love this project. You can see it had a pump. Now it's stable. They've been building for months, and I predict that this is going to be above 1 or 2 Solana in the near future. And just one little nugget, if you want to keep getting all this information before anyone else, make sure you join Gorilla Gang. We have the Alphas of Nature chat. All the gorillas, with a bunch of us just doing research, looking into projects, buying and making money together as a community. Join the Gorilla, make money with us, so you can stay up to date with all the information before we even put it on the YouTube. Like all these things that I'm mentioning right now, we already making investments. Basically, we share all our purchases with the community. We purchase something, we put it on the chat, you're able to see it, you're able to take your time, do your research, make your own decision, and maybe all purchase, and we all make money together. YouTube is great, and we upload later, but if you want to get in early, Gorilla is the way. Now, you see, we're already breaking over 500 Solana volume, so over $55,000. The average price is 1.64, and right now it's only 1.27. Get your Gorilla, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.